Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. Method 1 is to update the graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Method 2 is to verify game files. To do this, open up Steam, right click on the game and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3 is to run as administrator. To do this, we just need to right click on the Steam and select run as administrator, and now you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4 is to disable background applications. Certain programs, especially overlays or recording software like Discord, NVIDIA, Shadowplay, Razer Snipes or MSI Afterburner may conflict with the game. Try closing these apps. To close that, just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Close unnecessary programs running in the background. After closing it, just close tab here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5 is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Windows Update can improve game compatibility and system stability. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting you are up to date, just to close stuff here. Now you can try launching the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 6 guys. Method 6 is to move the install location of the COD app to another drive. For example, if you have installed in C drive, then you need to change to D drive. This method worked for more people on Reddit. To do this, open up Xbox and click on the three dot icon next to the game and select manage. Select files and select change drive, and you just need to select the another drive. This game is installed in C drive, so I selected in E drive. Select move option, and now the game is installing in E drive. After getting installed on, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. Method 7, if you have REWASD or other remapping software on your PC, try to delete it, and it worked for more people on Reddit. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the method 8 guys. Method 8 is to uninstall and reinstall Black Ops 6. To do this, open up Xbox app and click on the manage files and delete the Black Ops files. Then open the game and click on the Black Ops, and it gives you the option to install Black Ops files, and this worked for more people on Reddit. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the method 9 guys. Method 9, if you have face it and cheat installed, that will crash your game, so delete the face it and cheat and you should be good to go guys. If this method doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the method 10 guys. Method 10, turn your Bluetooth off. If you are on PC, it sounds weird, but this worked for more people on Reddit. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.